Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, I've got this mould, I've had it a couple of weeks. I'm not really sure what I was going to do with it. I do want to do one in both Aquacast and one in resin, but I'll be doing the Aquacast today, I think. I just think it's really cool. I mean, how unusual is that? I'm quite big, look at my hand. It is quite big. So, I've been looking at colours this morning and I thought I would paint some foils in the tips. Now, Aquacast does pick up foils, but not all, it won't pick up all of them. It's a bit hit and miss, but I am going to try it. I'm going to turn it inside out and put some foils in, and then we'll get some Aquacast mixed up. I'm always tempted by blue, always, but I think I will steer away from blue. It reminds me of a crown. Don't know about you. So I could make it yellow, sort of gold. We'll see. Right, I'll get some Aquacast mixed up and we'll make a start. Right, looks even weirder now, doesn't it? I've turned it inside out. I've got some gold flakes and I'm just gonna stick them in the points. Might leave them like that so I can get them in. Right, as you can see, very static. We all know what it's like, this foil. So I've just let it fall wherever it wanted. I'm going to get a big brush now, a big soft brush, and really burnish it in. Hopefully that'll eliminate as many air bubbles, air pockets as possible once I put the Aquacast in. Just going to burnish it all in as much as I can. Right, we'll turn it back. There's a bit there, needs burnishing in. That one doesn't want to stick. Right, there we go. Actually, I'm tempted to put a few on there. Just let them fall where they will. Like I say, it does not adhere brilliantly, but some of them will stick. We'll just have to be happy with the few that do. I've also picked some acrylic inks. Now this copper, I don't know if you watched the video when I made the swatch, but here's the swatch. That copper there turns it like, there's only a bit in there, turns it like a dark beige, if you will. So I thought if I put a bit of that and a bit of the yellow in, it might just look a bit golden. So that's what we'll do. 140 grams of water in there because I'm going to be making up 400 of the powder. Right, we just want a little bit of the yellow, not too much. And we want plenty of the copper. So I don't know whether to pour it in. I'll pour it in, I think. There we go. Might need a bit more, I do not know, but we shall see. Let's stir that around. And I'm going to add to that water 400 grams of Aquacast. Okay, that's 200. Oh, I felt the bottom of my Aquacast tub there. Not a good sign. Means I'll be needing some more soon. There. Oh, exactly 400. How wonderful. Give it a good mix. I like it fairly thick. I just think it's easier to work with. If it's too runny, it takes longer to cure. Right, that's a bit pale for my liking. And I did put a lot of that copper in. So we'll pop some more in. It's not going to come out, that copper. Although I am tempted to marble a bit through because that was really nice. I'll mix this one in. And I might marble. Yeah, I think I will. A bit more of that. We'll marble that one. Although I am putting it on the vibration plate, so the marble probably will disappear. But that's fine too. I'm hoping the vibration plate might vibrate the foil pieces. So we shall just pour it in. Looking like there's not enough there, but we shall see. Let's give it a good scrape on the sides. And we're going to give it a tap because it's very, very narrow, this lip to the thing. It's very narrow, so we'll just help it down the sides. It's going now. Bit more. I'll keep doing that until it gets down the sides. You'd think it'd be really uneven, this mould on the bottom, you know, when it's touching the mat, but it's not. It's really quite ingenious how they've done it. They all look different, but it's definitely getting down there. I'm just going to give them a squidge before it gets filled up. Yeah, there's not much marble left already. Like I said, on the vibration plate for about 5 minutes, and I'll see you when it's cured. Right, we're ready for demould. Let's see if we can get this out. Slightly overfilled it. I had to put a bit extra in because it looked like it wasn't filling on there. So I put a bit extra in and now I've overfilled it. And I've got bubbles because I did it after I'd put it on the vibration plate. A lot of sanding needed, I think, there. A lot. Let's see if we've got any of that gold. Oh yes, I can see some. Yeah. Very nice. Have we got it all the way around? Does tend to cause bubbles putting something in like these flakes, but we seem to be all right. Just the one little one there which can be filled, and it comes out nicely. I thought it'd be a nightmare, this ball, but it's come out lovely. What a beautiful ball. Right, turn that back the right way. We don't want it going all funny, do we? Wow, there's a few need burnishing in, but quite a lot came out. There's still a bit left in the mould, not so much down at the points in the mould, but oh yeah, very impressed. Right, all I'm going to do is I'm going to sand all this, make it level. God, I did over pour there, didn't I? That's gonna, and I'm going to sand it while it's like this, soft. Now, Elichem, who make Aquagas, do suggest you wait for it to dry to sand it, but I like sanding it. That's the way I like to do it. So it's on me if anything happens. But I like to sand it while it's still got moisture in it. It's just slightly easier. I use a palm sander. So I'm just going to do this and then I'm going to let it dry. And then we'll fancy it up a bit more. All dry now. That was way too much to sand. I did wet sand it. Just too thick. That's my fault, that. User error. I overfilled it. Isn't that lovely? Right. I've cut out some decals of leaves on the cricket, and I'm going to put them on the inside and around the outside. Now I did have 2 pieces of transfer tape stuck to my desk, but they seem to have disappeared. We'll get a curvy one because I want it to go around, and I'm going to lay it in here. I want it to go around. It's not the same gold as the gold leaf, but I don't think it would make any difference. I think it'll be fine. It is perfectly dry, that's just me not rubbing it down properly. So I'll speed you up for this bit. I'm just going to do the same and put them all the way around. Right, I've waxed it. I've used Clark's stone and concrete wax. I've put the first coat on. I've left it for 20 to 30 minutes to absorb in, and all I've done is go over it with a cloth. It's deepened the colour. It just needs a second coat now. I will do that for the photos, but very Romanesque. It's giving me a Roman vibe, you know, like you'd put fruit in it and give it to your emperor. That's what it's doing for me. I'm very, very tempted to put some pearls in it somewhere. Anyway, I hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to look at the photos, and I will see you for the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.